This particular video will show you how to work a single right-leaning increase called the Make One Right. The Make One Right is a single increase that leans slightly to the right, as the name suggests. It's created out of the little piece of yarn that runs from the last stitch that you've worked to the next stitch about to be worked. We call that the running yarn because it literally runs from one stitch to the other. For the Make One Right, you insert the tip of the left needle coming in from back to front, so behind the work towards you, under that piece of running yarn and lift it up onto the left needle. We then want to insert the tip of the right needle into the front leg of that new loop there, just as normal as if to knit. Wrap the yarn anti-clockwise, draw the new loop through just like a knit stitch and slip off. So the only bit that's different from a normal knit stitch is what we do to get that loop of yarn on the needle. I'm going to show you that one more time. I'll knit one more stitch so we can get away from it. So here we are. This is the running yarn that goes from one stitch to the other. The tip of the left needle goes in from back to front, picking it up onto the left needle as so. Then you just insert the tip of the right needle into that loop, going into it as if to knit. Wrap the yarn anti-clockwise, draw a loop through and slip off. It's hard to see because they're just under the needle here, but I've got a little swatch that I prepared earlier with Make One Right here. So can you see how we've got this sloping line? Those are our original stitches, and coming from it are new branches, each one coming from a new stitch that we created. In close-up, it's quite tough to see what's going on, but this is our Make One Right stitch, and you can see this piece of thread is sloping towards the right, and that's what gives it its lean. And that's the Make One Right. So make one, right?